So if you're watching this video, you're probably dealing with the same problem that I am. I've had this Joby tripod for a minute, and it's got a little bit of that stanky leg going on here. So you really want your tripod to have a really firm grip, obviously, because you're gripping onto something and trying to hold your camera up. And you can't really do that if you got weak links in the tripod here. So you see this has just got crazy amount of play in it, whereas something like right here, you can see me visibly having to try harder to move it around, and then you got that. So one thing you can do to fix this, it's the only thing I'm going to try to do, because otherwise I'm going to end up just buying one of these things off Amazon and doing the old switcheroo, if you know what I'm saying. And yeah, so find the joint that's the loosest. I'm going to start off with this top one, and what I'm going to do is just wrap a little bit of duct tape around the top of it, and hopefully that fixes it. Alright, so I'm going to try the duct tape next, see if that works. Alright, so I tried duct tape and it seems to be working a little better. Still a little wonky, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one. As you can see there, got that one, and then I have this piece down here. It's like this entire leg right here is just garbage. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process. Duct tape around the edge, just like that. You can already tell this is not going to be a good fix. I mean, if it works, it works, but I don't know. It's not like I'm really tripping off this looking like hella janky, because obviously I'm shooting from this perspective, so you won't ever really see that. I don't really care what people think. If people think I got garbage photo equipment, they're not going to rob me. So alright, so there you have it. I've been using this for a couple of weeks, and the tape's already kind of sticking out in some places, but it's a free fix if you got duct tape laying around. Didn't even use but maybe like 3 inches of duct tape. So if this goes bad, I mean, it still feels pretty good. It's actually really firm for how much tape is missing, but it works. And like I mentioned, the jankier my equipment looks, the less likely of a target it will be, probably. So that's a plus. So hope you enjoyed that video. Check this out. Oh, gotta tape up this section, but all the sections with the duct tape work way better than the ones without it. So proof of concept, it works. Peace out.